For polygon, two conditions are there. First, it must be a closed curve. Second, it must be entirely made up of line segments. Okay, now since this is open curve, this is also an open curve, and this is also an open curve. This is also an open curve. All these four are open curves, so they cannot be the polygon. Polygon नहीं हो सकते हैं ये. Now come to this. There is not any starting point and there is not any ending point. Means both the starting and ending points are joined together. They are meeting at a single point. There is not any variant, so it's a closed curve. First condition is satisfied that it's a closed curve, but is it made up of entirely line segments? क्या इसमें सभी line segments से बना है? No. It is not made up of line segments, therefore this is also not a polygon. Now come to this. Say, is it a closed curve? Yes, it is a closed curve because there is not any starting and ending point. Means we cannot identify from where it is starting and where it is ending, or there is not any variant. So it's a closed curve. First condition is satisfied. Okay, now is it made up of entirely line segments? Check. This is a line segment. This also, this, and this. All the curved parts are line segments, and it's a closed. Therefore, this is a polygon. It's a polygon. Now come to this. It's a closed. Already we have seen it. Okay. Now all are line segments here. Therefore, this is also a polygon. Okay. Now come to this. There is not any starting point or ending point. Means there is not any free end point. So it's a closed. First condition is satisfied. Now, is it made up of line segments? Is this curve made up of line segment? No. This curve is not made up of line segment. Therefore, this is also not a polygon. And this is open. ये तो open है, so there is not any chance that it can be a polygon. This is also open and this is also open curve. Okay. Now, a polygon which is made up of four line segments, which is made up of four line segments, or you can say which is made up of four sides, or which has four lines as a curve, four line segments as a curve, is known as quadrilateral. Like, come to this polygon. It's a closed curve. All are line segments. Therefore, it's a polygon. Now, count how many line segments are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, this curve or this polygon is a quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral. Means a polygon which has four sides is known as a quadrilateral. Come to this curve. Come to this polygon. Are there four line segments? No. More than four line segments are there, so it's a polygon, but it's not a quadrilateral. Okay. Come to this. If we will talk about only this part, केवल इस part की ही बात करेंगे. If we will not talk about complete figure or complete shape, we are not talking about the complete shape. Then see, it's a closed shape. Now, entirely made up of line segments. And how many line segments are there? 4. Therefore, this part of the figure is a quadrilateral. Now, come to this. 1, 2, 3. 3 line segments are there. Therefore, this part of this figure is not a quadrilateral. And this entire figure is also not a quadrilateral because total number of sides are not 4 here. we will divide the figure in two parts, then one part is quadrilateral, another part is not quadrilateral, and together the complete figure is also not a quadrilateral. Let's see this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four sides are there, closed curve, so it's a quadrilateral. Okay. Now, since no line segment is here, so it's not a quadrilateral. Now, come to this. This is a special case. This is a special case. See, it's not a quadrilateral because circle is there and circle is not made up of line segments. But we have to see whether it's a curve or not. ये कर्व है भी या नहीं है, इसमें डाउट है whether it's a curve or not. See, if we will see individual parts, like this part, this is a circle and circle is a curve. Inner side, one small circle, two small circles. Individual both circles are curves. Then this is also a curve. Okay, means if we will see this figure as individual parts, means one bigger circle, two eyes smaller circle, and one lip a curve, then all individual parts are curve. But if we will see complete figure together, अगर आप इस फिगर को एक फिगर में ज्यूम करते हो, means this is a figure and you have to tell whether this is a curve or not, then this is not a curve. Why this is not a curve? Because आपने outer circle draw हो गया without lifting the pen, but to draw the eyes I have to lift my pen. पेन लिफ्ट करना होगा, सर्कल बाहर आपने बना दिया, लेकिन अंदर वाले सर्कल और ये स्माइल बनाने के लिए आई हैव टू लिफ्ट माई पेन. एंड व्हाट वाज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ द कर्व? अ कर्व is any shape or any figure which is made without uplifting the pen, without lifting the pen. वैसे तो पेन लिफ्ट हो गया है, therefore this complete figure or the figure together is not a curve, but individual parts are curve.